Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A technician misadjusted an inverter's firmware settings during routine maintenance on a 1,000 megawatt portfolio. The portfolio lost 1.2% production for 6 months before anyone noticed. Cumulative loss? $12 million. The technician had good intentions, trying to optimize performance, but no change control protocol, no backup systems, no automated validation. One person's mistake cascaded into $12 million loss. Today I'm showing the safeguards that prevent this. Change control is basic software engineering, but solar operations rarely implement it. Most sites operate in cowboy mode. A technician makes a change, they note it informally, maybe they tell the shift supervisor, maybe they don't. No version control, no rollback capability, no automated testing. When something breaks, nobody knows what changed. Worse, beneficial changes sometimes get lost because they're in someone's head, not documented. On the 1,000 megawatt portfolio, the technician changed inverter algorithm from maximize production to maximize stability. Reasonable goal, but nobody validated the impact before rolling out. On 60% of inverters, it worked fine. On 40%, it reduced efficiency slightly. Nobody noticed for months because SCADA was averaging across all units. By the time someone noticed, cumulative loss was $12 million. You're thinking, one technician on a 1,000 megawatt portfolio couldn't affect $12 million. You're wrong. One firmware change across 500 inverters, even 1.2% reduction, equals $12 million loss over 6 months. And if nobody's monitoring with granular enough detail, you won't catch it for months. By then, the damage is cumulative. Here's how to implement change control. Step 1. Create change log, simple spreadsheet or database. Every change gets logged. Date, system, change, who made it, why, expected impact, actual impact. Step 2. Implement rollback capability. Every firmware update can be rolled back. Every SCADA adjustment can be reversed. Step 3. Create testing environment. Before deploying to production, test change on a small sample, one inverter, one string, one site. Step 4. Set up automated validation. After change, run automated check. Did production improve as expected? Did any alarms trigger? Did efficiency change outside tolerance? Step 5. Require supervisor approval for any change outside routine maintenance. Step 6. Monthly change review. Analyze impact of all changes. Did they meet their goals? Any unintended consequences? Step 7. Quarterly change rollback audit. Identify beneficial changes that could be propagated. Identify harmful changes that should be reversed. We've covered how single technician errors cascade into $12 million losses and how change control safeguards prevent it through documentation, testing, validation, and rollback capability. Your portfolio is probably missing change control safeguards. Technicians make adjustments. Nobody validates. Nobody documents. Months later, you discover $500,000 to $5 million in unintended production losses. But you can prevent this. Schedule a free operations risk and change control audit. We'll review your current change management practices, identify vulnerabilities, and build a change control framework. Most 100 to 1,000 megawatt portfolios discover 3 to 5 high-risk change scenarios that could cost $500,000 to $5 million. Implementing change control prevents these. Book your audit. First 20 operators get a detailed change control framework. A $1 billion portfolio lost $12 million because one technician made one firmware change without change control. No testing, no rollback, no validation. 6 months of 1.2% losses equals $12 million. Here's how change control prevents this. Take action now. Schedule your free operations risk audit. Change management review plus risk identification plus control framework. Current change process assessment, vulnerability identification, risk quantification, change control implementation, $500,000 to $5 million prevention. Book today. First 20 operators get framework. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.